me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.
Hey, Rock Solid Gang. Hey, y'all. So Corey and myself, we're going to breakfast, y'all. We're going to get something to eat, and I think we're going to a place called Another Broken Egg. But first, he's at Walmart getting gas. So he went in Walmart to load his. He used the Walmart gift card, and then get gas. I guess you get a cheaper rate if you're using the Walmart gift card, Walmart credit card. So he always load the gift card and get gas like that. So I always use Walmart gas station. So that's what we're doing, y'all. We're out about to get breakfast. Then I'm going to our local Rouse's supermarket and look for some cabbage. The only thing I'm doing today is cabbage. I don't do black eyed peas because we don't eat them. So, and I don't like to waste food, so we're just doing cabbage. I don't know if I'm going to fry or bake my chicken, but it's going to be cabbage, chicken, cornbread, and I'm going to get me a patty pie, and that's it. Staying in tonight. Staying inside. Say my prayers at midnight, and that's it. So, yeah, we out and about, y'all. I'll call y'all back when we get to the restaurant. So, all right, y'all.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to wishing. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long.
Give me another fried shit. I eat cool food. I don't want nothing to do with this stuff here on the top.
We're doing okay right here?
Yes,
Y'all let me know if y'all need anything else.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll eat the salmon and some of your fries. I forgot them eggplant. Hey, I do good when I put my meal together. You know what I mean? Because a lot of times the stuff that's on the appetizer thing be enough for me. This was a disaster. This really nasty, whatever this is. Keep my fish so we can get out of here. How was your onion rings? It went good? It's a bit crispy. What's wrong with them?
They salty.
They salty?
Salty.
Oh, salty.
Like, you know about how hungry I am every day, so.
I know. Me too. I was starving. You know, I just don't want to waste it. But the best thing on the meal today to me was the fries. For real. The fries have like a little batter taste. And I don't like, even for the appetizer, the shrimp what you did, because it takes away, like smaller shrimp takes the flavor and stuff better. You know what I mean? I don't like all that meat. Yeah. The sauce was good though. I would get these fries and that appetizer sauce and make that a meal. Hey, Rock Solid Gang. Hey, y'all. Yo. I'm just trying this restaurant, y'all. It's a fail. It is a fail. Let me show y'all my plate. Yo, I'm happy to tell y'all when I get out of here. So that was my plate, y'all. The food was
And then a white box is gonna pop up.
Oh, Corey, you ain't pack your plate yet. Yo, Corey just had a what that's called, a seafood platter, y'all. He said he gonna take it home and put it in the toaster oven and heat it up and make it a little more crisper, and then try eating it then. But it was a no, a fail. You ready?
Yeah.
Corey picked this place, y'all. We're just trying it out. Wait, I don't want to leave nothing. I ain't have nothing. It's my fanny pack. All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you. Too. So, y'all, I'm not going to lie, y'all. The service is nice. The service is, like, excellent. The service is really nice, y'all. But the place, Hebert, Bobby Hebert Restaurant and Bar. So that's the name of the place, y'all. I ate here one time. I came to it was like a bridal shower type dinner I came to. And I don't even remember what I had, you know. It might have been like seafood or something, I don't know. Because normally I stick to what I know, but I tried the salmon. It was called the crab stuffed salmon over a bed of seafood rice and a side of collard greens. Excuse me. Oh, Lordy. The greens come with it as a side. Yo.
Shit came straight out of the fucking can. From the can to the plate.
Corey said the greens came from the can to the plate. The greens taste like some canned greens. Straight out the can. No nothing, no flavor, no nothing. The salmon, y'all, the salmon was okay. My main thing was the salmon. I asked them to make sure it was well done. That was good, but the rice was a little overcooked. I don't know that what it was called, crab stuff. So it said crab stuff. So I guess the stuff on the top of the salmon was some kind of crab meat stuffing or whatever. But I did not taste any crab meat, and it just had a.
Babe, why don't you go right there by that sign right there?
It had a fishy, spicy taste to it. Like, it was not flavorful at all. So I'm not trying to tear them down, y'all. I'm just telling you the food was not good. I did not enjoy that. I knocked everything on the side and was just trying to eat just the salmon. You know, just the fish, just to have something to eat. Because I came here starving.
Show them that sign right there, what it's supposed to look like.
Where is it? You're going to have to do it because it's on your side. Hold on, y'all.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how.
So, y'all, that was that sign sold me before I went in. I was like, ooh, this is going to be good. Not.
What?
So it wasn't good. And, y'all, the server was... Corey called that clingy. Lord, let us eat.
Every 2 bites, she was right back at the table.
It's like every 2 minutes or something like that, she was at the table. Like, is everything okay? Are you all doing okay? I mean, it's good to check on your people, yeah. But Lord, girl.
If I complain about somebody coming check on us, it was too fucking much. I couldn't even eat my food in peace. 1, 2 bites, here she go. 3, 4 bites, here she go. A sip of my drink, let me refill that. Let me drink. Let me eat. Can I enjoy it, please?
Yo! Wait. But it's the truth, y'all. Anytime Corey talking like that, it was a problem. Yo, Lordy. Too much. Yeah, y'all. It was a fail. Bobby Hebert's.
The Cajun Canada, just stick to football.
Bobby Hebert was he was a Saints player, huh?
He was a Saints quarterback.
He was a quarterback back in the day, so I'm sorry to do it to you, Bobby Hebert, bro, but it was a fail. Y'all need to revamp on y'all recipes. It was just I was eating Corey fries, y'all, because I was hungry. So that the best thing today that we had was the fries off Corey plate and the sauce from the appetizer. So the sauce, Corey fries dipped in the appetizer sauce was the hit. Because, baby, So, yeah, no.
Now I gotta go get a hamburger.
Yeah, now we gotta go find something to eat. Because that was not it. All right, y'all, that's enough, Corey. You wrong for that. You wrong for doing that to Bobby Hebert.
The truth shall set you free.
My rock solid gang, hey. We the ones get it rockin'. You know she do anything for the fam, ain't no options. She one of a kind, so really it ain't no copies. You know how we rockin', once we start we never stoppin'. How we rockin', you know we rock solid. Yeah, you know we rock solid. Don't skip it. It's that rock just living. If she go live, don't miss it. Don't pause, don't skip it. You're not tuned in to rock just living.